Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is quadrilateral. So quadrilateral word is composed of two words. First one quadri, second one lateral. So quadri means four and lateral means side. So a four-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. A closed figure consists of four sides in a plane. That figure is known as the quadrilateral. Let us look at this envelope, bacha. This envelope is a closed figure which consists of the four sides 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hence this is a quadrilateral. You can see many such examples in your daily life, like your TV screen, laptop screen, all these kind of figures which is a closed figure in a plane which consists of four sides. That closed figure is known as the quadrilateral. Now let's just draw the figure on the plane. So suppose this is a quadrilateral. Since it consists of four sides, it is a closed figure. Closed hai bacha? Four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bacha, it's not necessary that they are equal, so we are representing them differently. So to name that quadrilateral, so we have to name these points. Now the question arises, what are these points? So these are the points which are known as the vertices, and vertices are those points at which two sides meet. जहाँ पर दो sides meet करेंगे, that point is known as the vertices. Now let's just name them. Suppose A, B, C, D. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral with four vertices. With four vertices whose names are A, B, C and D. Now what about the side? So it have four sides as it is indicated by the definition also. So first side, second, third and fourth. Hence a quadrilateral has four sides which are named as first one AD or DA. You can name it AD. Second one AB. Third one BC. Fourth one CD or DC. You can change the alphabetically order. That doesn't affect the side. So the quadrilateral has this four side as follows. Now bacha, where the two sides meet, at that point a angle is made, and so this is our first angle since CD line and DA line meet at this point. Similarly this is our second angle. Similarly here two lines meet, so this is our third angle. Similarly here the two lines meet, so it's a fourth angle. Hence a quadrilateral has four angles which are named as angle A. You can name angle A as also bacha, angle DAB or angle BAD. These are named according to their sides which are made at this point A. Similarly second angle B, third angle C, fourth angle D. You can name it like that also. Okay, so quadrilateral has four vertices, four sides and four angles. And there is one more thing that you should know about the quadrilateral. See that bacha, the vertex A and the vertex C. This vertex A and this vertex C are the opposite vertices, and the line segment joining the opposite vertices is known as the diagonal. A and C are opposite vertex, so this line AC, the line segment made by joining the opposite vertex, is known as the diagonal. So AC is the first diagonal. Similarly B and D are opposite vertex, and the line made by joining them is the other diagonal. So other diagonal is BD or DB. So a quadrilateral has two diagonals which are named as AC and DB. Okay, so this is about the quadrilateral. Now there is one more thing, bacha. In quadrilateral chapter you will see the two words named as adjacent and opposite. We are going to study about the adjacent sides and adjacent angles. Similarly here opposite sides, opposite angles. But first you have to understand the meaning of adjacent and opposite. So what is the meaning of adjacent, bacha? Adjacent means next to each other and opposite is not next to each other. Not next to each other. So suppose if you have to find out the adjacent sides in the quadrilateral, आपको अगर adjacent sides find out करनी है. See that, let us draw figure again. Some another quadrilateral. Let us just name as P, Q, R, S. You have to find out the adjacent sides. You have to find out the adjacent sides. So adjacent sides are those sides which are next to each other. See that, bacha, this PQ line and this QR line are next to each other. That means they are adjacent side, PQ and QR. Similarly, you can see that this QR line and this SR line are next to each other. That means they are adjacent sides. Similarly, you can find out other pair of adjacent sides also. Now let us look at the opposite sides. Opposite sides in the given quadrilateral PQRS. So opposite side, we will go with the definition, that is which are not next to each other. Which are not next to each other. See this line PQ, PQ and this line SR. They are not next to each other. So these two lines are opposite sides, or you can say that these two sides are not next to each other. Similarly, you can see that this QR side and this PS side, they are not next to each other, they are opposite to each other, so they are known as the opposite side. Which side? PS and QR. So this is about the adjacent side and opposite side. You can see that, bacha, in the adjacent side they have a common vertex. PQ and QR are adjacent sides. See that they have a common vertex Q. Similarly, QR and SR are adjacent sides. They have a common vertex R. Means adjacent sides have common vertex. Whereas in the opposite side, you can see that there is no common vertex. There is no common vertex between them. But don't get confused. You just have to remember one thing, that is adjacent sides are those sides which are next to each other. Opposite sides are those sides which are not next to each other. Similarly, we can find out the adjacent angle. So the angles which are next to each other, that angles will be known as the adjacent angles. See this? See this, bacha? This angle P and this angle Q, they are next to each other. Angle P and angle Q, they are next to each other, means they are fulfilling the definition. So angle P and angle Q are adjacent angles. Similarly, angle S and angle R are next to each other, so they are adjacent angles. Similarly, you can see that this angle P and this angle S are also next to each other, so they are also adjacent angles. So in this way we can find out the pair of adjacent angles, and adjacent angles have common साइड। एडजेसेंट साइड्स के पास क्या कॉमन था बच्चा? vertex, and adjacent angles have the common sides. Now let us look at the opposite angles. So the angles which are not next to each other, that angles are known as the opposite angles. See this angle P and angle R, they are not next to each other. Angle P and angle R, they are opposite to each other, you can see that. Similarly angle Q and angle S are opposite to each other, means they are not next to each other. That's why angle P and angle R called opposite angles, and angle Q and angle S called opposite angles, and they don't have any common side. No common side. Don't get confused, just go with this definition. You just have to remember this definition: next to each other, adjacent; not next to each other, opposite. So this is all about the basic of adjacent sides, adjacent angles, and opposite side, opposite angles. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you very much.